Here we have a 2020 BMW M340i XDRIVE. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 19-inch alloy wheels finished in black, all in excellent condition as you can see just there, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. We've also got a full M Performance styling kit on this vehicle, as you can tell by the front splitter and side skirts. We've got the black kidney grille at the front just there. Coming around to this corner we've got our second 19-inch alloy wheel, again excellent condition. M Sports badging just above, black wing mirrors, color coded door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We've got the shark fin antenna on top just there, and here's a quick look at that BMW individual interior and how fantastic does that look. Now coming to the rear we've got our third 19-inch alloy wheel. We've then got our black spoiler lip. Now we do have both front and rear parking sensors as well as the reversing camera. We've got the dual X exhaust, one on either side, and this exhaust sounds absolutely fantastic. Now if we open up the boot, we've got a great size boot in here as you can see. We've got a storage cubbies on the left and right. Close that up. You'll notice that the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now we do have the adaptive M chassis in this vehicle as well as the M Sports differential, so this vehicle handles incredibly well. That in harmony with the performance, which we'll talk more about on a test drive, makes this an absolute animal. We've then got the fourth alloy wheel, again excellent condition. Now as I mentioned before, we have got the BMW individual trim inside here, the Fjord blue and black merino leather, and how fantastic do these seats look. We've got the M Sports seat belts as well, fold down armrest in the middle. We can actually change these to go like so as well. ISO fixed points within the seats. We've got the temperature controls in the middle just there. On the doors we've got that same blue and black theme. We've got a Harman Kardon audio, electric window controls and brushed metal handles. Coming into the front we've got that same interior, and again how fantastic do these seats look. The level to detail in these is fantastic, incredibly luxurious feel. On the doors we've got that same Harman Kardon audio, which sounds fantastic. Electric power folding wing mirrors with electric window controls and child lock for the rear. We've also got our unlock and lock button just there. Now stepping inside, we've got our auto lights on our right. We'll now start the vehicle up. As you can see, the car itself has covered just over 23,300 miles, and as you'll soon see, we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. So we'll just wait for that to load up. It will be getting a fresh service before sale. So we have got the digital display, as you can see just there. The orange triangle there is just down to the fact we've got a low fuel range at the moment. That's nothing to worry about. And a nice thing about this digital display is it will actually change with your mode, your driving mode. So as you can see, I'm flicking between the different modes there, and it shows the different displays. Really nice feature in these vehicles. Take a step back, we've got our multifunctional steering wheel with different controls for whilst we're on the go, things like speed limiter, cruise control. We've got the paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of your gears. Auto wipers on the right just there. Now coming into the middle, you've then got your infotainment screen. So on here you'll find things like navigation. We've got our media. So if we come across here, we've got things like radio, news, Spotify, Bluetooth, screen mirroring, mobile devices. We can also connect our phones via Bluetooth to make calls or listen to music. Now if I put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we've got our reversing camera as well as front and rear parking sensors. We do also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in this vehicle, as you can see just there, as well as plenty of other applications that we can make use of, like the M lap timer, etc. Plenty of great features. We've also got the different driving modes, so sport, comfort, eco pro and adaptive. Each one of these having its own individual driving characteristics, so you can pick which one best suits your style at the time. Now we've also got our intelligent safety just there. Coming down, we've then got heated seats for both front passengers, all working exactly as you would expect, with a dual zone climate controls there. We've then got our stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left. We've got this fantastic trim in the center console just here with the 2 good sized cup holders, USB connectivity point, wireless charging down there, as well as 12-volt connectivity, all hidden below just there. We've then got our shortcuts, control wheel and touchpad for the infotainment screen, which I've been using to navigate this screen during this demonstration. Gear stick just here, so we can put that into drive, flick it across, and then we're either in sport mode or we can take manual control of the gears like so. Again, great feature. We've got the traction control, a button for our parking sensors, start technology, engine start button just there. We've then got our mode selects, as well as an electronic handbrake with auto hold functions. Now in the middle, we've got this soft touch leather armrest, which does also double up as storage. And then there you'll find a USB-C connection point as well. Now, the vehicle is ready to take away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. The last thing to note out is we do also have that heads up display just there, which again is a great feature to have. Thank you for watching. I'll speak to you soon. Video test drive of this BMW M340i XDRIVE. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. Now starting off, we do have our cruise control and speed limiter on the steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll simply press cruise, push up on the trigger, and then we're currently cruising at our current speed. Now if we want to deactivate this, we can simply press cancel and we're back to normal control. We can also apply pressure to the brakes. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 8th gear, down to 7th, 6th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and back into 7th. And as you can tell, through those gear changes are completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly how you would expect. Now we've definitely got to talk performance figures with this vehicle. So from the factory you're getting around 370 horsepower just below, which is giving you a 0 to 60 time as of around 4.4 seconds. Seriously fast car, and that paired with the XDRIVE system means you'll confidently be able to overtake other cars on the road without the back end going out. You've got that solid 4-wheel drive system, so you can drive at speed with confidence should you wish. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last year and a half as well. We are a 5-star dealership too, so if you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other car sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now you can find us on social media as well. We are on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok, so make sure to follow us on any of those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now shortly I'll be taking a right turn into the industrial park, where I'm going to perform an emergency brake and also demonstrate the reverse works exactly how you would expect. So we'll just get up here. Another great feature you do have with this vehicle is of course the adapter, the different driving modes. So if you do want to drive economically instead of sporty, you can stick it in Eco Pro and etc. Now here we are, I'm about to take an emergency brake from 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes just there, straight into reverse, no problems at all. Reversing camera as well as the visual display of the sensors on our screen just there. And then one last test for the vehicle. I'm about to go for a speed bump, so listen out for any knocks or any bangs. There we go, completely free from any knocks or bangs throughout this whole journey. Now this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, the video walk around or this video test drive, again, feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That's all from me on today's video. I hope you found this useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.